Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. Tomorrow is a really big day for me because this is the first time that I am getting a sew in. Yes, y'all, a full on sew in with very minimal leave out. I have not had a sew in over a decade. It's been a long time. I think it's maybe been, I don't know, close to like 15 years. So I know that sew-ins have come a long way, but I really want to expand my palette, especially when it comes to protective styling on my hair. I got a package. Thank you so much to Mayvenn Hair for sponsoring this video. And I received my Mayvenn Hair in the mail, which is going to be sewn in the morning. I actually have 3 bundles of this hair inside of this packet, along with a hair care guide. So the hair that I chose is Kinky Straight, and I got 18, 20, and I got 18, 20, and 22 in hopes of getting like more of like a layered type of look. I'm thinking that I'm gonna get a bust down middle part, but we'll see when I actually get to the stylist in the morning. So let me show you guys, because I opened up one of these packets of hair. So it does come in a dust bag. Each bundle comes in its very own dust bag, and this is what the hair looks like. It's so soft, just so that you can like get into the hair. Like, this is a dense bundle, and I love that it actually has like texture to it, so it almost looks like a blown out situation. And I just thought, I was like, ooh, this is gonna be so cute, because it's super different from my braids, or like when I just wear a wig like this one here, or when I pretty much do any other protective style like a ponytail, because it will look like blown out hair. And because it's so soft and it's actually really dense, so I don't know if I'll need all 3 bundles, but I'm still gonna take all 3 bundles with me anyways, because with the Mayvenn Hair, when you purchase the hair, you do receive a sew-in from a local stylist. So I went on their website, looked at the stylist, looked at the reviews, and kind of found someone that I felt like resonated best with me, and that's who I'm going to go to in the morning. So I will be taking you guys on this journey with me to get my first sew-in. So I just left my appointment. All in all, it's so good. It's so pretty. To me, it really looks like my hair blown out if it was really long. So when I get home, I'll show you guys kind of like what it looks like up close and personal. I got like some really loose curls in it because I don't want to apply too much heat on the hair, and she already basically like flat ironed it out and put these curls in. So I think that at night I'm gonna do large bantu knots to keep like a really cute curl in it. But overall, this is a whole vibe and I'm here for it. Sew-in success. My head isn't sore or anything like that. It still lays pretty flat. I'm sure it'll flatten out even more, but it's cute. It's giving what it needs to give, for sure. Alright, so I've actually had in my Mayvenn sew-in now for about 5 days, and I've literally just been playing with it to kind of like see what's the best way for me to style it. Should I roll it? Should I use a curling iron? But I do want to kind of minimize the amount of heat that I use on the hair because that will actually prolong the longevity of it. So I decided to do a couple of things. I actually did flexi rods, and that worked out, but I found that the curls were really loose and they didn't last as long, and I wanted more of like a retro curly look. So this time I attempted perm rod sets. See, smaller curls, perm rods, and flat twists, and I literally just meshed it in with my natural hair, and we're going to see what the results are giving. So far though, so great. I absolutely love the texture of the hair because it looks just like my hair if it were blown out. And what's really great about it is that the way that it mimics, like last night it was really humid, it rained a little bit, and so my hair, my natural hair, my leave out actually got frizzy, and so did the Mayvenn sew-in. So you literally could not tell the difference. So I didn't have like that stark distinction between my hair that was left out. I wish that you could actually feel the softness of the hair. This is their kinky straight hair, and the stylist was even like, you know what, this is my favorite texture of hair from Mayvenn. She actually said that she wanted to try the curly texture because she had only really tried like straight textures, but she did definitely highly recommend this hair. So she was like, you actually picked a really good texture. And even in the install, you can kind of see how well the texture blended even without her like flat ironing it together, because I also did not want to use a lot of heat on my hair. So look, y'all, just took this down. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so I'm popping in to update you on the Mayvenn hair situation. It's maybe been like 3.5, 4 weeks, almost a month that I've had the install in. You guys saw me get it installed, and then you saw when I kind of did like my first roller set. I actually prefer to roll the hair with water only. I figured that out while we were in Philly because I didn't bring any products, and I wore this hair out there to the Made in America festival. It did well. My regular hair got frizzy, and so did this hair. So it was cute. It was fine. So I just basically have been wearing it in this ponytail for like a week because I really just wanted to show that it's versatile hair. I mean, like, it looks good in pretty much any style, and I'm here for it. And I think that once I remove the hair, I can actually reuse the hair because it seems like it's in really great quality or like in really great shape. I haven't rolled this hair now in like 5 days, and you see it still has like a little bit of a pattern, which to me is just so cute. It just kind of makes me want to explore different Mayvenn hair textures. So that is it. All of the Mayvenn hair information is definitely going to be linked below.